Hi everyone, this video is about what is happening around the world, and I'm going to start with Bulgaria because Bulgaria has done something amazing. The protests on the street have been amazing. 150,000 and more just in Sofia, more in other towns. I'm not saying it only because I'm Bulgarian and because I love my country and I cherish my roots where I'm born, and I think we all should. But I see this as one planet, as one unit, not just Bulgaria, not just another country. This is coming to us all. And I'm again saying, I'm not saying it from a point of view just because I'm Bulgarian. And yes, of course, I am concerned about my country. My ancestor, they fought for this country. My great-grandfather had at least 6 protests on the streets. He spoke about the truth. And you know what? He was speaking about similar things, that the government was lying and it was corrupted. And what is happening now, it's very similar. But back then it was very difficult to unite so many people because the fear was huge, the suppression was huge, and the threatening was enormous. Now it's different. We live in different times. That's why the Bulgarians managed to make the government resign. But my question now is, again, not only for Bulgaria, it's happening everywhere. It's coming to America as well, everywhere. People are looking for their power. They're looking for a different way to live because they're sick of what has been happening. They're tired of it and they're looking for their rights because something has to change. Not one thing, many things. So my point here is, let's get up and stop moaning and saying what's not working and being against it only, but get up and write on a piece of paper what kind of systems do you want to see in the country you live in, wherever that is, even if it's not your country. Write it down. You've chosen that country. Be grateful that you're there. Accept it. Ask the land to accept you. Do not complain and moan because you're there, and wherever this there is, it's feeding you and your family. So my heart goes to everybody. This is just the spark in me, what Bulgarians did. But that's the beginning of revolutions all over the world, and it has to happen. It has to happen so people can awaken and take the power in their hand. How is this going to happen? With clarity, with purpose, with dedication, with consistency. Every human being, individually and together in their communities, have to set their goals. What is it that I am pissed off? What is it that doesn't work for me, for my family? What is it that I want to see in those governments work better? Write it down on a piece of paper. Stop moaning about it. Stop saying you're waiting for someone to come in power and do it for you, because that's not happening. It's going to happen from you. If you are the ones who are initiating those revolutions and you want governments down, you've got to be very clear on what do you want. What do you really want? What kind of life do you want to provide for yourself, for your children, for your friends and family? What is it? And remember, everything is possible. So write down on a piece of paper what and how you will contribute. And don't give me that talk that one person cannot change a whole community or a whole country. It can, okay? Because the one person, by their action, their way of thinking, their way of speaking their truth, and their authentic expression and action, can make a chain reaction to those who are not completely sure, who don't know how to lead. So I know there are many leaders in this world, and to lead is to do the right thing at every given moment. Whatever you think your right thing is, do it. See the chain reaction later on. Don't have expectations, just do the right thing. Teach your kids by your actions, not by lecturing them what is right and what is wrong. And again, my whole point of this video is to say I'm very proud that Bulgaria is doing what they're doing, but they have no clue what is next. And the old cannot function anymore, Therefore, we need to create the new. The old way of thinking, the old creating of governments, the same people there cannot stay. It has to be a completely new mindset. It has to be the young people coming and bringing hope, structure, and participating in that, and not just saying what they're going to do, but acting from that place and doing the things. So what kind of systems do you want to have? This is for the Bulgarians, but this is also for everybody in the world. What kind of systems do you want to have functioning? How can you participate? Start doing it right now.